Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about assignment operator, which is this: equals, plus equals, minus equals, times equals. And for this we divide and assign, and for this we assign the remainder after division. Okay, we call it here slash equals, and for this we call it percent equals. Okay, I have two variables, which is a and b. A equals to 15, b equals to 7. Okay, normally I delete this. When I do a equals to a plus b, what does it mean? A here becomes their sum. Just think about it. I assign a value here, and then I assign this value to this variable. So I update a value. A was 15, so 15 plus 7. So a becomes 22. If I print a, what you will see? So I compile and run it. You see a becomes 22. So let's make it shorter. Instead of this, I can write a plus equals to b. So what does it mean? It's a shorthand version for a equals a plus b. It's same thing. So I save and I run again. You see same result. Similarly, if I write a minus equals b, what does it mean? I open my pen, a equals to a minus b. It means this. So what's a value? Is 15. 15 minus 7, a becomes 8 here. So I save it, I run again, you see 8 appears on the screen. This is a shortcut for subtraction and assignment. Okay, we can do the same thing for multiplication and division. If I use this, it means multiplies and assign. A equals to a times b, it means. So if I run it, you see 15 times 7 becomes 105. Super. So let's use slash equals. It means we divide. If I run it, you see 2 appears on the screen, because it means a equals to a divided by b. So normally 2 point something like that, it continue, but we remove the decimal part because it's an integer value. We remove decimal part and we assign this value, which is 2 here. So 2 appears on the screen. Similarly, we can use modulus operator. I can say a equals to percent equals b. It means a equals to a modulus operator and b. It gives me the remainder. So what is the remainder? If I divide 15 by 7, the remainder is 1. So because 2 times 7, 14 plus 1 equals to 15. If I run it, you see the remainder is 1. So I printed 1 on the screen. Super. I hope you understand the assignment operator.